9-year-old Irene from Singapore began learning Mandarin at 7 with Chinese learning. Irene's creativity blossomed with deeper immersion in Mandarin culture, expanding her artistic horizons and innovative thinking. Delving into Mandarin characters, Irene found their diversity and meanings captivating. This inspired intricate stories and drawings, reflecting her newfound appreciation for the language's symbolic nature. Cultural exchange enhanced Irene's creativity in Mandarin learning. Immersing in Chinese traditions, she incorporated elements into cross-cultural art, deepening understanding and inspiration. The cultural exchange enhanced Irene's creativity in learning Mandarin. Immersed in Chinese traditions, she incorporated elements into cross-cultural art, deepening her understanding and inspiration. Improving Mandarin skills, Irene joined speech contests and art performances, boosting her self-esteem and creative expression. Presenting ideas in Mandarin helped her share thoughts effectively. If you're interested in having your kid learn Chinese online, sign up for a free trial lesson by leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.